Configuring WorldPay setup is a straightforward process that requires attention to detail and a basic understanding of payment gateways. To begin, you need to create a WorldPay account and obtain a merchant ID, which is a unique identifier assigned to your business. First, log into your WorldPay account and navigate to the Setup section. Here, you will find options to configure your payment settings, including currency, payment methods, and settlement options. Choose the currency you want to accept payments in and select the payment methods you want to offer, such as credit cards, PayPal, or bank transfers. Next, set up your settlement options, which determine how you receive payments from WorldPay. You can choose to receive payments directly into your bank account or use a third-party settlement service. Ensure you have the correct bank account details and other required information to avoid any payment processing issues. Now, configure your payment gateway settings, including the payment page layout, language, and security options. WorldPay provides a range of customizable templates to match your brand, and you can also add your logo and other visual elements to create a seamless payment experience. To secure your payment gateway, enable two-factor authentication and use a secure protocol, such as HTTPS, to encrypt sensitive payment information. Additionally, ensure you comply with payment card industry data security standards to protect your customers' payment data. Finally, test your WorldPay setup to ensure everything is working correctly. Make a test payment to verify that the payment processing is successful and that you receive the payment in your designated settlement account. This step is crucial to identify and fix any issues before going live with your payment gateway. By following these steps and best practices, you can configure a secure and efficient WorldPay setup that meets your business needs and provides a seamless payment experience for your customers. Remember to regularly review and update your payment settings to ensure compliance with changing regulations and payment industry standards.